Picture yourself in the 2014 Nissan Xterra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this rugged Nissan Xterra, the versatile vehicle that specializes in off-road capability, innovative cargo solutions, and gutsy performance so you can make the most of your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, fog lamps, heated front seat, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Feel excited about the adventure in this highly capable Xterra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.